Okay, so an R package. It might have just been broken. There we go. There you go. All right, we're back. So R packages, just for those of you who don't know, there's a statistical software program called R, and it's useful for a lot of things. And I learned R, I started using it back in my undergrad when I took a class from Tom Burke, and he suggested that I learn R. So when you follow Tom Burke's instructions, good things happen. And I'm here a couple years later building tools using R that hopefully everyone in the room could use. So this is tidyFIA. It's a package basically for helping you download and use FIA data for whatever purpose you may have. Like Alan's presentation earlier, there's a lot of FIA data. Several of the presentations in here have also done that. And what we wanted to do is reduce some of the friction associated with obtaining the data and then working with it, and also provide some kind of examples on how we use it, because we use FIA data every single day at work at Sylvia Terra. So this package could be used to produce a graph like this in relatively short order. I didn't mean to put anything really substantial up here, just to demonstrate that these are all the white spruce observations from the FIA data set in northern Minnesota. And here's a graph showing height and diameter relationships by county and forest type. So this is the type of information you could get using this package. So before tidyFIA, so before yesterday, this is how you would get FIA data. So you go to the FIA data mart, and you would obtain some file. You can download it. There are a lot of formats, and that's all good. Eventually, you wind up in Excel, and you look at it like this, and you start to scratch your head, wondering, what do I do next? This file is gigantic. I don't know what to do. It felt sort of like this. By the time you've got your data and you're ready to rock, and you work on the project that you wanted to work on in the first place, you're so wet and covered in detergent or something. So along comes tidyFIA. This is just a little bit of code, one line to install the package, just get it up and running in R. And if you haven't used R, there's a lot of information on how to get started with it. And then the second bit is just the code you would run to download all of the FIA data for the state of Minnesota. So this reduces all of your interface with the data mart and whatever other ways you may be getting FIA data. And brings it all into R so that you can actually spend your time and energy doing the thing you're interested in. So that graph that I was looking at earlier is white spruce. So here's just a little code. I know it's code, and don't be afraid. One thing you'll notice here, if you're familiar with R, is I'm using a lot of the tidyverse tools. So the tidyverse is kind of this bolt. It's a bunch of R packages with a particular syntax. And anyways, it's nice because you can read it. Like I could read this kind of like a paragraph. I do this all day, every day. So there's caveats there, but the point is, it's a lot easier to read this than it is to read other types of code and other languages and other formats. So that's just an example. This will be online somewhere, somehow. We'll put it on the tidyFIA website, so you could look at it later if you wanted to study it or try it yourself. And then to produce that graph that I had earlier, it's just a couple lines of code. Again, what we want to do is provide examples on how you might be able to work with FIA data to answer questions that you want to answer. So that's just an example. It takes a little time to get up and running, but once you're going, you can find that you have a lot of time left to do the interesting things. So here's just another way of looking at that information. It's like maybe white spruce has different height diameter relationships by county. Maybe not, but we can get that information. Maybe you're only interested in a single county, so you could just pick yours. And then if you wanted to guess the height of the white spruce tree, given that it's 10 inches, you could get a pretty good guess based on all the hard work and energy that the FIA has done measuring trees. So that's it. I'll be around during lunch. I've got a bunch of examples set up in the poster session room if you want to take a look. There's a bunch of contact information. Thanks a lot.